Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be checking out the cheapest wood chipper on the Facebook marketplace, and we're going to see if we can get it to run. Let's go.
Cause they ain't never seen me fall under pressure. They ain't never ever seen me fall, nah, never. Always keep on up on them cause I'm too clever. I will never ever sell my soul, nah, never. Cause I've been on the road, I quit acting like you've been with me this whole time. Cause I've been on the road, I quit acting like you've been with me this whole time.
So what do you guys think about this, man? Let me know down in the comments below. It's been hell of an adventure since I picked it up last night. I drove 12 hours to go pick it up, and on my way back, I actually got a flat tire. We're gonna roll the video now. I honestly think I got a hell of a deal, man. I could not pass this thing up for the price that I paid. I've had one of these in the past, and I absolutely loved it. This thing can chip 12-inch logs, so I think this is going to be perfect for the business, for the farm, or for a resale. I'm not exactly too sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but first we got to get it to run, so let's see if we can do that. Alright, when I went and checked this thing out, it was just sitting in a field, and the guy couldn't tell me a whole lot about it. He just said that whenever he turned the key, it wouldn't start. So I got my battery tester out quickly, and I immediately saw that I had 12 volts and that it wasn't a dead battery, because that means it's just a minor wiring issue to even the starter or the alternator. And I noticed the alternator was cracked here. So we're gonna check this out and also check out the starter. All right, when I test the power to the alternator, I get 12 volts, so there's power going to the alternator, so this crack isn't an issue. So let's check out the starter. Alright, so the grounding wire for the starter could be the issue. Whenever I test the power to the starter, we get 12 volts. And then whenever I push this wire back on, and then I touch the bracket, we're getting 12 volts there. As you can see, it's a little inconsistent because it's not connected properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and solder that right now, and hopefully that does the trick. And then we're gonna bring my truck over and try to jump start it. Alright, we're gonna try jump starting this now. It's been a couple of hours. I had it on charge and it did nothing, so we're gonna see if my truck can start it. Holy fuck! Check this out, guys! 700 hours! She runs like a fucking champ! Cheapest working wood chipper on the marketplace. Bought it and we didn't know what was wrong with it. It only needed some minor work to the starter, and as you can see, with about 30 minutes worth of work, we got it going. Honestly, I could not be happier. This is an awesome wood chipper. It can chip 12-inch logs. It will run fantastically around the farm. I'm definitely gonna be painting it up. We're gonna be restoring all of it, the lights at the back. Gonna be giving it a fresh new paint job, new decals, everything. So stay tuned, guys, for that. and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man, because this was an awesome video, a very awesome find, and I'm hoping to make a lot more videos like this in the near future. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a very big thumbs up. Leave me down in the comments, let me know what you guys are thinking about it, what you guys think about the project, the machine, and part 2 to this video will be in the description. So I'll see you guys there. Take her easy.